Ready to supercharge your marketing game by connecting the intelligent power of Vapi AI with the automation prowess of Gohighlevel. First, let's head over to your Vapi AI dashboard. Ensure you're logged in. Navigate to the integrations section, often represented by an icon that looks like a chain or a network. This is where the magic begins. Inside the integrations area, locate Gohighlevel from the supported platforms list. You might see it as a dedicated icon, or within a categories list. Click on the Gohighlevel option to initiate the integration process. A setup window should open. Next up, switch gears to Gohighlevel. Log into your Gohighlevel account and go to the integration settings. This can usually be found in your account settings or platform dashboard sidebar. Look for API keys. You will need to generate or locate your Gohighlevel API key. Copy this. It's crucial for the connection. Now, head back to Vapi AI. Paste the API key you just copied from Gohighlevel into the designated field within the Vapi AI integration setup. There might be other optional settings in Vapi AI to configure the integration. These might include things like the webhook URL. Configure them as desired, but the API key is essential. If all is well and you filled in the API key, click connect or save. Afterwards, you may need to authorize the connection if prompts appear. Confirm them. A successful connection will often show a connected status. Now you are all set. You can start using the AI-powered features of Vapi AI within your Gohighlevel workflows. Use Vapi AI to answer questions to leads and streamline customer engagement. Go and use the integration to improve your marketing automation and drive better results. Don't forget to explore the various features and options to create powerful automated journeys.